In this video, I am going to be showing you the tools on people in Google Classroom. So you are on your class for Google Classroom, and up here on the third tab it says People. If you click on it, you'll come to this page. Now, some tools that you can use or utilize on this page is adding another teacher. All you have to do is go and click on this person with the plus item, and then it says type a name or email. So let's say I'm going to be co-teaching with Miss Bateman. Then I click right here, and then I click invite. When I have invited her, she'll receive an email, and of course she'll need to accept it to become a co-teacher with me in this class. And of course once she does that, then of course she can assign homework and also post on Google Classroom. On the three dots over here, I can email her, and of course I can remove her, which I'll do right now. You can also add students by clicking on this button, and you can do that by email. I can also add guardians and invite them or email them all at the same time. There are some actions that I can do with students on Google Classroom. I can, if I want to, click on this. This would mean all students, or you can just individually choose certain students. The actions that you have, and of course you won't be able to see because I want to keep student privacy here. You have the email options, your first one. In the email, you can choose as many students that you want to email. Maybe you're saying, hey, I don't have this assignment from you. The second option is remove. So if a student's not in your class anymore, you can remove them. And the third option is mute. If you have a classroom that's set up to where students can post and comment on posts, and you notice that a student is always off task, you of course can mute them. And then of course you can also unmute them whenever you want to. Another option that you will have right next to the student's name underneath student will be invite guardians. To invite a guardian, you just click on invite guardians. Similar to what you saw on inviting a teacher, you also have this, and you just type the name or email. The email that pops up, you click on it, and then of course click invite. I hope this little tutorial video on people in Google Classroom helps you out.